Ebuso no wase na yensama akwa bebiem emra GH report so now report amensa ka chese ye mame AKOSUA SERWAA the legal wife of that LUMBA aye na adwene se ekwan bia so Odo Bronii obetu na afiri efie honom manhye na omotim manhye na omo mu a LUMBA ewuye no yese mame AKOSUA SERWAA aye krado se efie honom ode prae be pam nachi obepra nachi na wasake no e de efiri efie honom eno yensama eba mebo video no amonya bi etie na wache wadwene e de fa ho na slim buster ababonten abe defend LUMBA ensem ne koba ye nyina no menheda enhu artist star bia wono anasa legend bia ababonten se ade LUMBA ye oba be defend na emum no slim buster ababe kasa e de fa ho e defend asa achirem se LUMBA oba be wo no na oyawe ye ka kire no e ma wo sacha na adwene ebusuemu nsem no ye ba ne babeti e o this side na otumfo e nana abronte na otwa movie a no ye no ho otumfo ne nana ne wo faase na sefoi wono so ba abeka ensem bi e de afa ye maame AKOSUA SERWAA ho na mesre eni de no opokwa so oba so pe na watimi alike video no ache wadwene e wo comment section wo e de ma menemum no yeni kai enwura mu na yenkotie this particular MP ni nsem bi a ode abatodwa e wo sa ensensem we ho
din komo na azere nko no se one minua ba penya AKOSUA SERWAA so nkomo bi and mo ga say ono boss mo okay bis mo say bi when start that's how new relationship develop because the run officer the run na no bi wo phone so and here come to LUMBA kurere mu na o transe didn't come anti mo na nipa kuro di no o be too far ono boss mo okay there aka o so na sem no to go fan ko na didn't come but one Odo Bronii ne ba that day on ba de be on na do o mo hu say no and what the wasam there they be say ne be man obanam de bia wadwe be yo say okay of course I say onyo nua don obusuani there wadwe be say bia ha but the bia obam hu bia no na be share bia there even say me many hu no there no on nanam okay ba minim e kira se me tell bia bia ntwe oh woni mi say we am kofi ko chase o to musu nyina odi me pa say anye ayonfo ana say agudia obiara no baby yehia of course dia ha nti obekobeba ofire bia no baby o wa no an fa ncham say we obusuani a na we onu aba say madwen me kokko say bia yeah me ne wo oye wadanfo wa so what you say it is them hu no bia ante AKOSUA SERWAA de me share da me ma me SERWAA me share da but Odo Bronii de bia me hu kojo fosu tiase bia ne bia me babu chada se krumu o se de wo hu na ezoka me nhye LUMBA da na ya mbese me Odo Bronii sa title de me tiase papa ono da me share bia no ne atabna na na press la kano oh give me the minimum no say be 5 6 7 hu no na de da hu bia no na they were together.
Enti honorable nensem odi tutwa eno no eti se de media no so nkrofo AKOSUA se LUMBA no nim de besie enti o sheda de Odo Bronii ejijai odi ne ejijai enti utie nsem honorable AKOSUA ya wase ye maame AKOSUA SERWAA kra no onim ne da nemum for Odo Bronii de onim ne pa enti utie LUMBA no nim de besie no nim de besi dachi enti odi no eyede ejijai eno eyensema honorable edebetu dwa na yentie tu a yese ye mame AKOSUA SERWAA ya na adwere se Odo Bronii obetu no e de free omomanhye ne mu esanse ono ena LUMBA abre yentie ehun nsem
mame AKOSUA SERWAA ade na chinchina wo pese yetu Odo Bronii ene ne ma no efree fio e wo abra LUMBA tiase no nankasa ade we wo betimi ayo ena wanye mame AKOSUA SERWAA omo pushi no a omo di wachi no omo nka no krenchiro de wo ye na de animguase mom na bebreu maame jai na de animguase bebreu bibie ni wa wo betimi aya ye bepam Odo Bronii afifio ebia wo lawyers no omo nka no krenchiro ebia papa shi ni magina na omo di wachi no omo nka no krenchiro adan now like wo ye ho sa the way we painting so we innocent no yen mu bi de yenim so we innocent on said ye ye bia na ye dwiri ye bia na ye dwiri sa na nyame ye na de sa na dadu
Abusua enti team side chicks almost to Jafas ya crack omu to Jafas ye enti wose de obeye bia team side chicks no almost hu de ekọ enti omu timi direct SSA enema honom enti eno eye tu a ya maame akoso say wa epese otu Odo Bronii efri mansion ni de despite din e for mu no de eba eno no yemfi we so na yenkodi enkomo ewo otumfo nana ene wono so ense bia obeka ede abake je maame akoso say wa yinti nsem na wo decide
papa na wu a wo hu se bibia efri ho no wo de se nyame ma na fie kakra bia wo behunu be ma wo ne benante wo de obehunu you see some maame no benya be ma because be ma bia ye ti wo nyina ye nkura no se be nya akura sa ye hwehwe mpanyimfo ma obi a na ni afia wo sa atema no odo no ene na tena kawachi hwe be ma wo tu yaso pese o ye na so anya sa ma we bia wo nye timi ye o ye die den ye die ne den wo ni sa no to wo se mpanyimfo bi ayi o mutina bra bo koso ye mo a ntimi bia so obi ye a na yo ba papa be mo be ye na yo ba papa o ta na chi otimi ka we wonfo so hye wo ya mo ba bi ho manye lumba we legend wase edu ba bi na se dura na dua na botu o'clock na wotu kwa ko bi manso na kai akosua sewa na akosua sewa ti ho no ma na ono a wadan amansanyi na dofo na re aho akosua sewa ba be de ti se oba akosua sewa. All these things, if you are a wise person, you got to know, say the man was sending message be across. Tell me, you know, akosua no suni pano, or who be that. Then you know, I just have man. I come to my friend here, some money. I want to money, some money be acting. So when you say man, maybe walk to one. Hey, me say, eni chirebu to abekum eni chirebu o de enya na kwase eni chirebu so obesi ahwe o nka bigina ha me life nka oba we gina no ma wa yesterday
abusua enti ene otumfo nana ene de sa ensem betu dwa we de wetim se eye ono ani interest ene o kasa ensem oyi ono ani interest ze amone no wo no ho hwa ene man hyeda emfa gidigidi to ohia obi a oba bi obetima ba na brabom na beboa no inti we dey say wo ka hwe bia wo ka kwane dia e ono one personal interest na o ka ko na ma me mfasa enkomo we emfama wo na asem we die ano eden na ti
say daddy lumba enwa enka star eye sewa eye ne yire panyini eye akosua sewa se daddy lumba enwa enka ne yire AKOSUA SERWAA mama AKOSUA SERWAA enka ne star enka mpie on say mini say eye mama AKOSUA SERWAA eye ne star ena di daddy lumba pie ye enti daddy lumba wuri ye no ope ono atukwan oba no daddy lumba te ase no ya welcome no say watu kwan ama edom omampanyini kura bi nsiga na da say obi atukwan we Ghana mampanyini ana say we obi the day you mu kwa akwaje Ghana World Cup 2020 kra no nipa se ankwan kohia wo mu ba mama AKOSUA SERWAA atukwan wo ba hwatuma kokohia no even yesterday kohia no ma esi wo Kumase jam no mo boye no ebi nsi wo Kumase da nipa na no mo ho no o mba se ne eye Kumase Sports Stadium transfer 3 Many say a star and a connected to daddy lumba. And because of daddy lumba tiaseno, mama AKOSUA SERWAA star and pie da. But dan nikunu yeno, next time pie. What by na mama AKOSUA SERWAA and kasobeto jom. Ghana for beto and daddy lumba tiaseno yomono. So you will look baby or wabrabum. Ya daddy lumba be ya diabe. So omu ya. So osen na ebra wo hini wozi ya wu yeno. Ebra wa hene wozaya wu ye no Isaiah wu nyankopon and as a divine connection was say na animonyam the God of God and connect you to the one Isaiah
yes
enti sofu panyi na ene enkomhye ne duru ho a wokeka ne nsem a ne nyina efa ye maabe ho na susompa ase maame ono mpeka sei obeda ka so okoto nwom this lumba AKOSUA SERWAA nsɛm no abusua ɛwɔ spiritual implication bi ɛwɔ connected to spirituality bi ana how mo fa so emiti ye how anima sifa ɛkɔ ye baabi akɔ wie abusua ɛkyɛ ma adwene kakra enti mesre obaso a na wetimi aba cheche mu kakra kakra ɛwɔ honom ne ɛkyɛ wa adwene so no na wa kyerɛ wa adwene ɛdi afa ne mmom no slim bastard maka kyerɛ sɛ o kan nsɛm bi wɔ ha na o the secret bi abeto abonten slim bastard any the only person man say wa ba bonten a wa be defend lumba me nhyɛ dan hu bi me nhyɛ dan hyia bi say your ba say be ma me nhyɛ dan nhyia bi legends artists I mean omo ewo celebrities no me hu obi asa but slim bastard beka ense bia be reveal secret bi mesro yenko na yenko tie slim bastard ense bia odi abeto abonten
stars. Let me tell you one thing, what stars are people don't get it. Sometimes no ye crofo ye nipa ye ni omo nam no omo best friends and they say ye crofo. Sometimes your best friends no, decide to even sleep with us. At the moment you the star will refuse, that is when they will start polluting your wife or your partner. Say who kununi and me I can blame Lumba or not to blame Lumba because where he's coming from no or see me ni busian me nim obuafo bia wo ho. So Lumba struggled alone. When nyansani bi anche na ade when nyansani bi anant na o se wunim as wukwe you careful of maybe your friend is saying oh wife are down for or ye but or no gina adwin it now. Lumba, after all the mistakes that he did, he corrected himself. I mean, the whole Ghana, all the stars. Lumba is the only artista. Nyami eyi nefi trouble. He is the only artista. Nyami mana converted from being bad to a good person. Lumba is one of the only artista. Your children say, "Woo baby woo inti sesa." Lumba sesa when he met Odo Bronii. That is when he changed everything. Lumba and Fanny San Obabia apart from Odo Bronii. And what does he tell you? Don't you think, say, Nyami kana kuma, Nyami open the heart, say, listen, my son, you are my eye, and get free, sir, and even your own wife was also your wife, Jaino. Sometimes no Nyami ebema wankasa wiri ewu. Or bema wiri asema to yire, ama wetu nye nyankwapa. Lumba never died because he was or a sinner. Lumba in because or ya you. Lumba we because he's a good person. Lumba became a changed person. Nakumami ye clear. And I'm telling you today, all of them are going to have problems because Lumba never died because Oheti, your friend is saying, what's her name? Oheti Serwa. Lumba never hated Serwa. Now, the yiri tell you say Oheti Serwa. Serwa say Oheti Lumba, sorry. Lumba never, hey, mami can't show me. I've been with Lumba girlfriend. Today I am telling you, say Lumba to me free. Me also me driving the park on the baby na obefano because baby I know jina ninye. And say Lumba jina hosi siya na say one friend Lumba. Lumba then only be kasa say or respected this woman so much say. No per se even or the asem be ba ebe ma obi ehun say pe woman and on penasem. But ne mo akire yen say mo ana mo si mo aware Lumba mo si mo ye legal wives no. Mo hate Lumba so much so enne ye ne your friend is saying omo anko school omo nimi ni die omo friend Lumba say or ye pedify omo mo ka say Lumba ye nguase ni Lumba mbu ne ho Lumba mbe bobra Lumba de we Jimmy onimi nyansa. Today you're celebrating somebody amusi onimi nyansa eyere na mun Jimmy ya munimi nyansa anka would you do this? Show abrochira yete no nobody will celebrate Obama or a narcissist. Nobody will celebrate Obama or fankwala. Nobody will celebrate anybody obia onimi nyansa. But today we're sitting down here. People are telling us say yes, this is Lumba's wife. Lumba no ye nipa boni. Lumba no onimi nyansa. Lumba na your friend is a fan kwalano and then the wife aba obiti so him away je etomo wa senke. To me so you guys are happy. Yeah, team legal wise mami aba and the woman is happy. I am telling you, some of us we are not lucky in life. You buy it, me abe worry and ma omon paying. Ya be worry emma adekuntia no mo ne ye nam stardom. Ya be worry emma why na dwen say papa we me boa no na me boa no na ye wia me gina ne so abe dani famous. Most of our wives, they use us to become famous. This is what we are seeing today. And I'm not surprised because oba ompe bema and a bema ompe oba borninatina wuni yemma hina. This is what is going on. I pray said these people will sit down and think one day, say, if we have somebody or new biya court, she couldn't provide her own marriage certificate. Now the person couldn't provide or court no provide you. And so aba onam ho freely. Pacho bisa obia says abruchira and Papashi Yachinatum. You know why they were arrest Papashi? Because Papashi provided a fake marriage certificate. Papashi catch me meshia dia me worried that me minim in some say okoji a marriage certificate at airport okoji wo German embassy okoji wo whoever will tell you a marriage certificate will be collected from German embassy or will be collected from airport. So these people are criminals. I am telling you today, they can take us to anywhere. There's no way a marriage certificate will be given to Papa Shi. Say on fan court, no judge will take it. Now a judge, the whole world, your friend is saying, muti ho ene mu degrade a judge. Sometimes I don't want to insult, but sometimes you make us so angry. Say you people now mwanko school amu nima dieno mu ba na mu degrade mu insult omo mu nima de omo ya chire omo ade omo say monto mo bu na enche mo kwan no no bit is Ashanti queen your friend is saying sa pulele punche rasta and the rest. Those people will come and tell us omo be say and what are we learning from them? Insult anadi. I mean, I never knew, say, somebody's wife can become a superstar. Superstar with.
Okay, so Slim Master and I would say, or can in some or honono. Inti Lumba knew, say, baby, na enyamaka kono. Na emu din. Inti on that note, no. Pensma, Slim Master can say, Ujai bibia, say, na o one ma boni bia no ya, or stop bibia, and oya na say, Odo Bronii kwa, and na echo. Oni Slim Master ya adwena chewa adwene oni ne adwena eno so obetimi achewa adwene e comment section ha GH report is abishia.